PJ9554. Her name is Herminia Paned. She's 28 years old and still single. She finished Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. She worked in Malaysia for 2 years. This is PJ9554. Will you please introduce yourself?
My name is Herminia Paned. I'm 28 years old from Montalban, Rizal, and I am ex-Malaysia.
How many years you work in Malaysia?
I work in Malaysia for 2 years, ma'am.
What are your duties and responsibilities with your employer?
I take care of the babies, cleaning the house, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, ma'am.
Why did you leave your employment?
I finished already my 2 years contract, ma'am, in Malaysia.
Since you already work in Malaysia, will you please tell me what Chinese dishes you know how to cook?
I cook the beef stew, the soup, ma'am.
How about elderly care? Do you have any experience?
Yes, ma'am. I take care of my grandma.
How do you take care an elderly?
So I help my grandma in cooking, and I also help her to feed her, and clothes, change clothes.
How about newly born baby? Do you have any experience?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your experience in taking care of a newly born baby?
I bought them, ma'am, and I will feed them also.
If given chance to work in Hong Kong, are you willing to look after a newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do first if the baby is crying?
I will give them milk, ma'am, and I will check the diaper if it is already wet.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family for the future, ma'am.
Why do you think you're a suitable domestic helper?
Because I know I am the hardworking person, honest, reliable, and trustworthy, ma'am.
Do you know how to sing nursery rhymes?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cite an example?
There was a farmer, had a farm, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, and Bingo was his name. Oh.
Okay. Can you give a message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you've given me a chance to choose as your domestic helper, I will do my very best to serve your family and to help your kids also and your elderly. Thank you very much, Mom. God bless.